Andrew, just because I chose not to share my marital problems with you does not give you the right to be rude.
How about driving my father away? Do I get to be rude then?
It's a shame. They used to be such a happy family.
Just because you didn't hear them fighting doesn't mean they were happy.
Whoa. Just because I love you doesn't mean girls are allowed in my room.
His incompetency made me rich. Money begets money based on no other principle.
Just because we're poor doesn't mean we're incompetent.
Of course not.
But money begets money, and that's how the rich stay rich and the poor stay poor, right?
You know, the truth is, when they're not making me want to tear my hair out, they're actually really sweet. I'm afraid if I change the bad stuff, I'm going to change the good stuff.
Yeah, it's a tough call.
Like this mug. I love this mug. If I medicate them, are they still going to make me a mug like this?
Yeah, it's a tough call. Yeah, it's a tough call.
The only question left is whether I'm gonna kill him or not. Tough call. For all I know, he's an honest cop, regular guy.
What part of kill Sarah was too hard for you to understand? This shouldn't be a tough call. How are you disobeying me?
Accidentally left something behind with my prints on it.
Do you have a pair of gloves?
It's the suburbs. I didn't think it'd matter. Anyway, the police are running a check and I'm in the system. I gotta pull up stakes before they come looking for me. I gotta pull up stakes before they come looking for me. I gotta pull up stakes before they come looking for me.
There was something. I didn't keep my money at AXCAP because I like you. If you pull up stakes, you're handing me a $1.5 billion problem.
Computer castle.
No, we still need to physically locate them. What you're suggesting would alert them and they'd pull up stakes. We'd never catch them.
Hold on. Are we trying to save my patients or make a rep?
News that an intruder had breached the security of Wisteria Lane spread like wildfire. News that an intruder had breached the security of Wisteria Lane spread like wildfire.
Would the banks go the same way as the stock market? Hysteria spreads like wildfire. $2 million are withdrawn from this branch alone.
Jimmy killed Earl because he found out?
No, no one knew.
No, come on, Edie. It's West Texas. Gossip spreads faster than wildfire.
If Jimmy knew, then all the pools knew.